This meeting is being recorded.
Hello, my name is Divine Artvion. I am 12 years old. Um, my birthday is September 22nd. I like to play basketball. I like to draw, play games, and watch anime. Um, the coding class so far has been really good. I've been enjoying it, and I hope to learn more about about coding so I can get better at it. Today we're doing a tic-tac-toe game, and this tic-tac-toe game, there's we're gonna have to. There's a designer and there's blocks. I'm gonna make a new project and I'm gonna show you. I'm show you how to make this. So first, we'll go to layout. We're bringing a vertical arrangement. We will put the height at 70% and the width at fill parent. And then we'll bring in a horizontal arrangement and put both to fill parent. Then we'll go to user interface and bring in the button. We'll rename the button as reset game. And then we'll go to text or change this to reset game. You can change it to any color you want. And then you'll bring in a label. And for this label, you put nothing in it. And you will name it space. You can put a space between your things, but just because we want to have a little bit more space, we'll put in a label. And then we'll bring in another label and rename it. And that will be O Stern. This you can also do the same. Change it to any color you want. And you change the font size to 25. And then if you have the thing downloaded, you go to extension right on the bottom and press import extension. You press choose a file. I have the file. It's gonna show up right here. And then you drag the file in, and then the file is right there. And this is how you finish the designer page. And then you head to blocks, which is right here next to the designer symbol. The first thing you bring in is screen. You will bring in one screen in a light shade do. And then you go to tic-tac-toe. You bring in this thing, the purple thing that says initialize view component. You go to vertical arrangement, you scroll down and you use the very last one. And then you go to tic-tac-toe. You will bring in You will go to button one, which is run reset game. Click, because you're gonna name the thing reset game, and then you go to tic tac toe and you begin call reset game, and then you go to tic tac toe, X turn, tic tac toe game, O turn. Then you go to label. Make sure you go to the one that says level one, because one will be namespace, and one will be named label one. So you can bring in any type of whatever set label to whatever. You duplicate it, and then you have to change this to text. And then you go to this text, the pink one in the built-in section. Go to the top and you bring in the first one. You will also duplicate this. This one is gonna be winner is no. This one is gonna be X. You have to put a space between your S and the TURN, and make sure the TURN is also capital. Um, so after this, you go to tic-tac-toe, and you bring in this one. When tic-tac-toe on winner found, you go to control, you bring in if then else, and you place it right there. And then you go to logic and you bring in this. This is the two that you will here. You press this and you press the first one. You go to math and you bring in the first one of match, which is gonna be an O. And then for then, you can just duplicate this if you want.
Artvion,
Hello. You can duplicate this if
what are
you
you
want.
doing?
And then you will I'm teaching how to do the tic-tac-toe game. So then you put winner is X. Winner is O. But instead of putting the O, you put a 0. And then for this one, you put winner is X, and make sure the X is capital too. And then, what happens if there's a draw? If there's a draw, you can't reset the game. So we bring in the first one in tic-tac-toe on game draw. One tic-tac game on, and then you go to tic-tac-toe again and bring in call tic-tac-toe reset game. And once you have this built in, and you have the designer built in, this is how you can go to connect up here, AI companion, scan this code, put in the code, it will load, and that is how you'll be able to play the game. I have just taught you how to make and do the tic-tac-toe game.
Well done, well done, well done. This is amazing. At some point, I was like wondering, are you sure you just learned this? And it's really amazing. It's really amazing how you broke it down. The steps you took, the reasons why you built those codes, and it's amazing. Though at some point I saw some mistakes, but I think you merely corrected it. That's one of the basic things of a programmer. Whenever there's a mistake, he debunks it and gets it well done, Divine. I'm super proud of this journey. It has been an amazing one for you, and I've seen you grow from different stage, and you're doing so remarkably well. Well done. I wish David had joined earlier. He could have seen a whole lot of things. Well done. That's Divine joining him from the United States. He is 12 years old and he's doing well. Beside him is his brother. His brother is actually doing also well. Uh, he's trying as well and he's doing well as well. So that's Jude. Okay, so guys, that's amazing. Well done. So what we're gonna do right now is we're supposed to build. Everybody's supposed to build this together. So at this particular point, I would like David to also share his screen, and also Jude will also do the same as well. So guys, if you're listening, if you have watched this video, this is an amazing journey. We're not just coding, we're actually showing them and they are doing these codes all by themselves. It's amazing when these kids can do and how good they are growing. Remember that coding has become essential part of learning in the 21st century. Without coding, just like you cannot speak a language, it is very important at this stage of their life that they know how to code. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for listening. And I'll see you in another session and have a fantastic day ahead. Thank you and bye for now.